Every day, thousands more arrive at hospitals across the country. Fueled by another single-day record of new infections, medical centers like Providence, St. Joseph near Los Angeles have seen COVID admissions triple.
I think 10 has to go on a vent. He doesn't look good.
NBC News given exclusive access inside their COVID ward.
We've never had to treat so many sick patients at the exact same time.
Every bed in this ICU wing is filled. Doctors,
Can you recycle?
nurses, and a web of drips and pumps struggle to keep a growing number of young patients alive.
How quickly can people go from sick to ICU?
24 hours. And even less. I've had patients come in not requiring any supplemental oxygen, just high fever, don't feel well. Within 24 hours, they're intubated in the ICU.
Across the country, a record number of Americans died Wednesday. Down the hall, Nurse Mane Abrudan is losing another patient.
There's a very good chance that he may pass without the family being able to say goodbye.
How much time do you think this patient has?
Don't think past midnight.
The team here is aware of the mobile morgues outside Dallas, the 6 hospitals reaching capacity in Michigan, and the 10 rural counties in California out of ICU beds.
The staff here, like at so many other hospitals around the country, are exhausted. The days are 12 hours long, and the shifts are 12 in a row.
The sacrifices made are also personal.
I don't get to see my mom because I'm scared they might get something from me. So we're all doing our part and we're just hoping everybody will do the same. Sorry.
Inside one of the hospital's most restrictive areas, we met Jose Bonilla, who says he felt like he was drowning when he was admitted. Tonight, so many on the front lines feel like they're underwater.
What's the hardest part?
I think not knowing when this is going to end.
The end still far from near. Miguel Almaguer, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.